Welcome to MiniOrange. MiniOrange's Jira user provisioning products are the most successful on the Atlassian market. So, in this video we have show you how to use Okta as provider to allow SCIM provisioning in Jira. Go to the Jira dashboard. Click on Setting icon on the top right corner, and select Manage Apps option. Go to Search tab and search SCIM. To download the plugin, click on Free Trial. Click on Accept and Install to agree with MiniOrange policy and terms of use. After successful installation, use the license key to activate the plugin. Your plugin has been installed successfully. You can view plugin settings using any of the ways. The first way is to click on Plugin. Then click on Configure. Then either way is navigate to User Management. And click on MiniOrange User Sync. In the Configuration tab, select Okta as an IDP. We will be covering the SCIM setup here. You can also go through the setup guide by clicking on Documentation. Select your IDP. You will get step-by-step instructions here. Now enter the app name of your choice. SCIM base URL and bearer token created in a relationship between Jira and Okta. We will require SCIM base URL and bearer token for the further configuration. Then click on Save Settings. Now click on Provisioning Operations, and enable all operations. Import users, update Jira users, import users IDP groups, enable Jira users, disable Jira users. Then click on Save Settings. Here plugin setting has been saved successfully. If you face any issue related to the plugin, then check the Troubleshooting tab. Here you can download the log file as well as support zip files. Let us check user management in Jira without SCIM. Go back to the MiniOrange plugin in Jira. Click on Setting. Then click on User Management. As we can see, no user has been added. Let's set up Okta SCIM configuration. Go to Okta login page and log into your credentials. Then click on Admin in the top right corner. From the left menu, go to the Application drop-down and select the application. Then click on Add Application. Now navigate to search bar and search SCIM 2.0 Test App. Select 2.0 Test App with bearer token. Now click on the Add button. In the General Setting tab, click on Next. Then scroll down and click on Done. Now navigate to Provisioning. And click on Configure API Integration. And select Enable API Integration. For the SCIM base URL, go back to the MiniOrange plugin in Jira. Click on Edit option. And copy the SCIM base URL. And paste it in the base URL field. Similarly, copy and paste bearer token. Now click on Test API Credentials. After successful testing, click on Save. In the Provisioning to App tab, click on Edit to enable operations. As we can see, the operations such as create users, update users and deactivate users has been enabled. Then click on Save button. After saving the settings, click on Assignment. Now click on Assign. Then click on Assign to People option. Click on Assign. Then scroll down. And click on Save and go back. Now click on Done. You have successfully assigned the application to the user. Let us check the user management in Jira with SCIM. Go back to the MiniOrange plugin in Jira. Click on Setting. Then click on User Management. As we can see, the data of the Azure AD user has been synced successfully with Jira. Let us update existing user profile in Okta to check the user provisioning in Jira. Go back to your Okta account and click on Edit option. Then update the username in the Edit User Assignment tab. Then scroll down and click on Save. Go back to the MiniOrange plugin in Jira. Click on Setting. Then click on User Management. As we can say, the updated data of the Okta user has been synced successfully with the Jira. Orange provides best user provisioning solutions. Thanks for watching.